From the camera this way, you can check a lot of CE standard, planetary misses. This is CE logo, and we will have the emergency button. For the safety cover, we will have the limited switch, means if the customer open the cover, the machine will stop. And also we have the limited switch in the bowl, so if the end user remove the bowl, the mixer also will be stopped. The finishing of our stainless steel is very smooth and comfortable. Not sharp at all, it's very smooth. And the stainless steel, you can feel it. All the finished stainless steel is the food contact stainless steel. For the whole series, we will have the 7 liter to 100 liter food mixers. And today, right now, I'm standing in the food mixer workshop.